Now, in this lecture of acid-base concept, we are going to discuss Lewis acid-base concept. Lewis acid-base concept is also known as electron pair donor acceptor concept. Donor acceptor concept. It's also known as electron pair donor acceptor concept. Now, according to Lewis acid-base concept, an acid is a species which accepts electron pair. An acid is a species which accepts electron pair. Means an acid is electron pair acceptor. Electron pair एक्सेप्टर. ना सोचो कौन सी स्पेशी इलेक्ट्रॉन को एक्सेप्ट करेगी, जो इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट होगी. Now therefore according to Lewis concept, acids are electron deficient compounds. Electron deficient species. Now by electron deficient species I mean that octet is incomplete. Octet is incomplete. For example, if I take here halides of boron Bf3, BCl3, BBr3, Bi3, very important. This has been asked in JEE Main exam as well as in competitive NEET exams. Now what about this compound? This is boron. It has 3 bonds with fluorine. Total electrons in this compound is, this is an electron pair shared between boron and fluorine. This is an electron pair. This is an electron pair. 2 plus 2 plus 2. It has 6 electrons. In order to achieve octet rule, it should have 8 electrons. Therefore, it is deficient of 2 electrons. Therefore it will accept electron pair. All those species that accept electron pairs are known as Lewis acids. Therefore this is a Lewis acid, this is a Lewis acid, this is a Lewis acid, this is a Lewis acid. We have AlCl3, aluminum trichloride. 2, 4 and 6 electrons, deficient of 2 electrons, therefore can accept a pair of electron, is a Lewis acid. Now this is Lewis acid, this is Lewis acid, this is Lewis acid, this is Lewis acid. But what about the order of their acidic nature? Which one will be more acidic? Whether Bf3 is more acidic than BCl3, than Br3 or Bi3. Now let us discuss the acidic order of these acids. These electron deficient acids are Lewis acids. Now we say that these acids Bf3, BCl3, BBr3, Bi3, they are all acids, but they are Lewis acids. Why? Because they are electron deficient. Because they have 6 electrons. They do not have complete octet. They are deficient of 2 electrons. Therefore they can accept electron pair. If they accept electron pair, then they are Lewis acids, hence they are Lewis acids. Now what about their acidic order? Which one will be more acidic, whether BF3, BCl3, BBr3 or Bi3? Which one will be more acidic, whether BF3, BCl3, BBr3 or Bi3? Now see, Lewis acid is that species which is electron deficient. The more electron deficient the species is, the more electron deficient the species is, the compound is, the more will be acidic character. Because they are electron deficient compounds. जितना ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट होगा उतना ज्यादा वो एसिडिक नेचर होगा उसका. द more will be acidic character or acidic nature. Now see, we have to see which one has more electron deficiency. Now this is BF3, this is our BCl3, this is our BBr3, and this is our Bi3. Now see, in this case fluorine is small in size. Fluorine is atomic number 9. Its configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Or I can write this configuration like this: 1s2, 2s2, 2px, 2py, 2pz. Now 2 electrons here, 2 electrons here, 1 electron here. Means it is 2p orbitals take part in hybridization. And boron is small in size also. Boron has atomic number 5. Configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Overlap between orbitals of same size and similar energy is perfect overlap. This bond is stronger bond. Now see, in case of fluorine we have these are the electrons of valence shell. In valence shell electrons there is one unpaired electron which forms bond, and there are two and 2 electrons which are non-bonding electrons. These are non-bonding electrons. Now these are non-bonding electrons. Now these are non-bonding electrons. Now since boron is electron deficient, it can accept an electron from nucleophile or from any species which donates electron pair. Now see, we have to check whether how much this boron is electron deficient in this case, in this case, in this case, and in this case. Since the size of these fluorine and boron orbitals, 2p orbitals, it's almost the same, therefore boron can back donate these electrons. If fluorine can back donate these electrons. If fluorine back donates electrons, then its electron deficiency is overcome. It becomes less electron deficient. Electron deficiency is overcome. It becomes less electron deficient. The less it becomes electron deficient, the less will be its acidic order. Now come to the case of BCl3. In case of chlorine, we have atomic number 17. Configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3px2, 3py2, 3pz1. Now these are the valence shell electrons take part in bond formation. Means we have 2 electrons which are non-bonding, 2 electrons which are non-bonding, 2 electrons which are non-bonding, and 1 electron takes part in bond formation. But here the size of the orbital is the 3p orbital, which is large in size. Since the size is large, back donation is less. If the back donation is less, its electron deficiency is overcome, but to less extent compared to this. Means it remains electron deficient more compared to that of BF3. If it is more electron deficient compared to BF3, therefore it is more acidic. Now in case of Br, we have 4p orbitals which take part in bond formation. Size is more, back donation is less, this back donation is less, therefore electron deficiency is more over here. This is more acidic than this. Therefore the order of acidic nature of these boron halides is, we have Bi3 which is more acidic than BBr3 which is more acidic than BCl3 which is more acidic than BF3. The order is based upon back donation. These are Lewis acids. One more type of species which we can call as Lewis acids are any species with positive charge, because positively charged species are electron deficient. Second type of species are species with positive charge. Species with positive charge. Any species with positive charge: copper plus, silver plus, Zn2 plus, Fe3 plus, Fe2 plus, Al3 plus, all those species which carry positive charge, they are electron deficient because they have lost electron. Positive charge is created by the loss of electron. That's why they can accept electron pair. That's why they are Lewis acids. Now what about Lewis bases? Lewis bases. Lewis bases are the species which donate electron pair. Which donate electron pair. Electron pair donators. We donate electron pair. Which donate electron pair. Now what type of electron pair they are going to donate? Let's take examples. For example, NH3. Now see, in NH3 the bond will be like this. This is nitrogen, hydrogen bond, hydrogen bond and hydrogen bond. Now nitrogen has atomic number 7. Its first shell contains 2 electrons and valence shell contains 5 electrons. The valence shell electrons take part in bond formation. Out of 5 valence electrons, 3 have formed bond and 1 electron pair has remained as such. This is the electron density on nitrogen atom. This is excess of electron density. It can donate this pair of electron. This is for donation. Therefore, ammonia is Lewis base because it's capable of donating this electron pair. Now, similarly, we can have water molecule. Now, see, in case of water molecule, oxygen has 2 lone pair of electrons. Now, see how oxygen has atomic number 8. Its configuration: first shell 2, valence shell 6. Out of 6 valence electrons, 2 have formed bond and 2 pairs remain as such. These are non-bonding electrons. It can donate these electrons. Therefore, it is a Lewis base. Now, not only species with lone pair of electrons, also species, there is a trick how you can determine these lone pair of electrons. Lone pairs is equal to valence electrons minus bond is formed. Now see, in case of ammonia, what are the valence electrons of nitrogen? 5. And how many bonds have been formed? 1, 2, 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. This is one lone pair. One lone pair or 2 electrons. Now see, in this case of water, how many valence electrons? 6. Valence electrons is equal to 6. How many bonds formed? Bonds formed is equal to 2. Therefore, how many lone pairs? 6 minus 2. That is 4. That is 2 pair of electrons. This is how you can determine lone pairs. And species which possess negative charge, they are Lewis bases because negative charge is electron density. Species which possess negative charge are bases. For example, Cl negative, OH negative, NH2 negative, etc. These are also Lewis bases because they can donate this electron density negative charge. Now, third type of species which can act as Lewis bases are species with multiple bonds. Species with multiple bonds. With multiple bonds. By multiple bond, I mean that double or triple bond. For example, we have carbon-carbon double bond. We have carbon-carbon triple bond, acyl. Now see, this pi bond is actually a weak bond. It can donate this pi electron to electrophile, to positively charged species. That's electrophile. Now these negatively charged species, they are called nucleophiles or bases. Now there is difference between nucleophile and base. The difference lies in the mode of attack. Now see, a question has been asked from this concept: which of the following is Lewis acid? Which of the following is Lewis acid? The options were BCl3, CH4. Number second, BCl3, PCl3. Number third, BCl3, AlCl3. Now check. BCl3, this is boron, this is chlorine, chlorine, chlorine. Now how many electrons? 2, 4, 6. It should have 8, therefore electron deficient. It's a Lewis acid. But what about methane? Methane contains this type of structure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 2s are 8 electrons. This is not Lewis acid. What about PCl3? PCl3. Now these are 2 electrons, 2 electrons, 2 electrons, 6 electrons, and there is lone pair because phosphorus contains 5 valence electrons. Minus bonds formed 3 is equal to 1 lone pair. Therefore 2, 4, 6 and 8. It is not. This is the right answer. This has been asked in JEE exam. And this has also been asked order of acidic nature, which I have explained: BF3, BBr3, BCl3, Bi3. This is all about today's topic. Now tomorrow in the next lecture we will discuss neutralization reaction between acids and bases. How many types of salts are there formed? Thanks for watching.